Hey, what is happening? What's going on? Hope your day is going great wherever you are. So, today I just wanted to do a kind of walkthrough on navigating TradingView. TradingView is used to do technical analysis on your stocks, and if you're not doing technical analysis, stocks or crypto, if you're not doing technical analysis, it's great just for following the price action and seeing what's going on. It's just a great tool that really accompanies beginners, intermediates, and experts. And it's all for free. You can even upgrade to a paid version, which allows you to have as many indicators as you want, but it's not required by any means. So let's go ahead and jump into it just for a quick navigational tour of how to do everything. So, right off the bat, in order to find coins, so I would make an account first off, and then you type into here to find something. So I would type in, let's say, so if I type in Substratum is a cryptocurrency. So I would go ahead and click on whichever one I wanted it paired to, and it is important to keep in mind that it does offer the exchange here as well. So if I was to type in BTC, well, it's going to have all these different versions of Bitcoin with all different prices because of the way they're trading. So that's important to keep in mind. So if you're wanting to trade it to Tether, you could click on this, but then you realize it's Bittrex and it's not actually Binance like you wanted. So keep that in mind. So going into it, right off the bat, we see a couple different things here on the top. This is the time frame of each candle. So the 15-minute means that each one of these candles is 15 minutes long. If I go to the 5-minute, you'll see a lot more movement because each candle is 5 minutes. So this is all that the price did within 5 minutes. And then if we go out, let's say to 1 day, then each candle is actually 1 day long. So here we had a really big jump in 1 day, but then we've also done some smaller jumps in 1 day. Not as much price movement, right? So for swing trading, holding, whatever, you might use 1 day, 1 hour, 4 hours. If you're day trading, you might use the 15-minute, the 5-minute, the 1 minute, the 30-minute. So moving on, it's the type of candle that you would want. I always just keep mine on normal candles. Some people in the group use these. Also, when I say the group, I offer a free Discord, which is linked in the description below. Come in and chat with me, learn technical analysis and trading with all the other people in there. There's about over 2,000 now, so it's a great place to work. Next is this little squiggly line. You'll be using this a lot. These are your indicators. So I already have RSI down at the bottom, but here, this is where like the meat of the technical analysis comes in, just by kind of figuring out what you like. Let's see. Figuring out what you like, adding what it is, and just kind of creating what you need to find works for you, right? So for me, this is my pattern that works. I'll drop back down into customizing in just a second. Next, you can do alerts. So based on the price of the coin, you can get alerted if it goes up to a certain amount or it drops below a certain amount. Those would be like buy and sell signs that you maybe did, that you found that you wanted to create an alert. It'll shoot it to your phone or your email or whatever. You can publish ideas. So again, like I said, you can sign in, you can publish ideas so that other people can see what you've done if you're into that. And then that's basically it for the top part of anything that's useful. The bottom left, or the sidebar, this left side here is all drawing and things to do with the specific chart itself. So if you're looking for something, so like say you want to draw a line, you can click on this point to point, and it means you're going to click on one point and then draw it to another point, right? So I can also find different types of lines by clicking on the arrows to the side. So this is going to really increase everything that you can do in here just by clicking on the side. So if I wanted a horizontal line, I just have to click it once, and it's going to go ahead and paste a horizontal line for me. And you can just kind of go through these because there's a lot through all of these that you'll be able to do. if you want to customize this, you can click on the line. You can change the colors, the width. You can lock it into place. You can do a lot of things with the drawing tools on here. Now, that being said, you can also go into here, and these are kind of pre-made drawing tools based off math and just kind of whatever that you put on the graph yourself. So for instance, if I was going to put a pitchfork on here, you can draw your pitchfork however you want. It just kind of helps you see what's going on with the graph, right? So again, all of these are technical analysis tools that need a lot more explaining than I'm going to do right now, but I'm just kind of helping you figure out where to go for everything. Next, you have a drawing tool and a very helpful text box. I just want to go ahead and reiterate, everybody, put text box on your graphs. Let people know what you're thinking. Just from showing a chart to someone, you don't always necessarily know what they were trying to convey. So I do recommend doing that. So you have all these different charting tools here, and then one of the most helpful things that I think is on here is this little ruler, and then you can click on one point, drag it to wherever you want, and it'll tell you the percent change within that time period. So this was a 3.6% jump on this one. Okay, onward. So now, if we're tired of seeing what we have on the graph, we can click the hide button. We can edit all of our different indicators that we have shown here. So I can go ahead and edit this. So I'm going to change the SMA to purple, just to kind of help me see. And I'm going to change the VWAP to green. And these are just the colors that I like, just so it kind of stands out a little better. All of these are customizable. Excuse me. Lastly, if you want to share your graph, just click this little camera down at the bottom, and it'll give you a link to copy and paste. Or you can save it or go straight to your Twitter. But the copy and paste will work forever. If for some reason you've scaled out a lot and it's not following everything you wanted to do anymore, you can just click auto and it'll jump back to the normal spot. You can also double click and it'll hide the bottom indicator, and then if you double click again, it'll come back, so in case you ever lose it. They also come with a Pine editor in the free version even, and this will allow you to build your own indicators. We have several guys in the group that build their own indicators and will publish their ideas to us. So if you're a developer, this would be something that you could look into doing. This is your watch list on the side here. So you just add different symbols, and it'll be the exact same search feature as it was in this corner. And so you just add it into your watch list. That way it'll always show you just kind of what's going on here. So I have like all of the coins and stocks that I really like are just posted in here. You also get a live news source for your coin or stock that you're looking at down here. The bars on the right are more of the social side, which I don't use as much. It's not great for charting. And if you want to hide all this, you can just click that arrow and it all goes away. And then it's just full on charting to your heart's extent, delight, whatever. So I hope this helped you see a little more of what Tradingview has to offer. This is all for free. I'm running the free version right now, and it looks crazy, but it helps me, and it's really helpful if you're trying to learn technical analysis or get into it, or even just like follow the price action of a coin or a stock. Tradingview is a great tool for all of us. Highly recommend you using it and becoming an expert. And I'm glad that you're watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment, let me know what's up. I look forward to communicating with each and every one of you. Join the Discord, and again, give me a sub because we're almost at 3K subscribers, which is awesome. So, hope you have a great rest of the night. Peace.